I was already interested in the exosome world and stuff, so it wasn't naive to some of that information. I'd tried a couple things, but when he came in and was telling me about XOE, that was what got us started with AMP for sure. And I mean, obviously fell in love with it and just embraced it. And then we added the machines on just this past summer, and we added them all on because we think they're all excellent. And so yeah, we just keep expanding the partnership and adding machines on to our locations and some of our mobile injectors. And the science behind it was really what drew me to that. And then the results, that took no time at all. It took one 11-day process for me to be like, I don't even think I microneedled anything. I just used it and was like, well, sold.
Yeah, the results and then the clinical backing of it that really made the difference for us.
Yep. So I'm Mary.
And I'm Carla.
And we're the Smiley Twins. My full name is Mary Smiley Ford. I'm the CEO and founder of Smiley Aesthetics.
My name's Carla Pearson, and I am the COO and co-founder and co-owner of Smiley Aesthetics as well.
We are based in Nashville, Tennessee, which is where we were born and raised, but we have locations now in 10 states. We've got 7 brick and mortar locations, and then we have over 100 independently owned and operated med spas. My favorite treatment currently with AMP is still Scarlett. I mean, I do love the laser hair removal. Who doesn't love laser hair removal? Smooth is best. But the results from Scarlett are just, they're second to none. I mean, and then we combine all of our treatments, not laser hair removal, but with XOE. We put, it's like built into every treatment in the entire med spa now. We literally keep a syringe of XOE for the day, and we're using that now that we kind of recently started doing that. And it just helps with everything and just exacerbate the results. So XOE is also #1, but then Scarlett is by far my favorite treatment that we're doing right now.
My favorite treatment on the machines that I've personally done on myself is the laser hair removal. She's right, you just can't help it. You can't beat it. It's very painless, the fastness of it, it's all just lovely. As far as my favorite machine is actually the Agnes. I just think it provides such an opportunity to do things that people cannot afford to do, or you don't want to go get that full facelift, or you just want to get rid of this one little thing. Instead of filling it up with filler or going to do something super expensive, it really is an alternative solution that is quite unique. So I really love that machine.
It's a great bridge. Yeah, I mean, now we're just going to be like, well, now that's my favorite too. But I mean, we do Agnes and Scarlett a lot, so that's a combo treatment.
I've never had it done to myself, but when one day when these eyelids are over my eyes.
And most people don't need the full facelift, right? So Agnes is just offering this in between where so many clients, they need something. They need something more aggressive than maybe just the Scarlett, but they're not ready for that facelift, which most people are. There's always some, but most people are not.
Right.
And now we have this service that can really do some natural yet very good results. So
it's the under eye bags for me. That's just a game changer.